Hey everybody, welcome back to Linux for Everyone and welcome home. This will hopefully be the first unboxing video on this channel, even though it's the fourth one that I've recorded. I seem to just be completely cursed when it comes to unboxings. I tried to do a couple other laptops and I tried to do this Gigabyte eGPU that I have, and one time the sound was just all crackly and terrible, or the space just wasn't right and I just wasn't happy with it. So I'm going to try again because today I got a shipment from Slimbook. And you guys might have heard of Slimbook. They are a Linux PC manufacturer out of Spain. And I decided to do this unboxing because I have two laptops here, not open yet. I'm actually not positive what's inside of these boxes. However, I did open the main box, and I wanted to share with you what they sent. There was this envelope, says Slimbook, be one of us. It had a few of these stickers, powered by GNU/Linux, and this one. Pretty cool. I'm especially kind of excited about putting these on something. So it also came with a letter, a somewhat personalized letter. Let me read it to you. Here it is. Hello, Jason. Thank you for your interest in trying out our products. As a small business with a long journey ahead, it's really important for us to get user feedback and their opinions so we can improve as much as we can over time. We are especially proud of our flagship laptops, the Slimbook Pro X line. We take special pride in their build quality and peak performance, even though they will get updated shortly. And here's the line that got me. We also wish that you and Lana enjoy a small taste of Spain with this good bottle of wine and some Serrano ham. And here is, I think it's called Iberico. It's from the Black Iberian pig, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, that looks so delicious. Like, I'm amazed I haven't torn into it yet. And then here is the Best European Winery winner. I think it's pronounced Bobal Unico. This is the wine that they sent. And so I appreciated that, that personal touch. I know that I'm press or I'm an influencer, whatever you want to call me. I've been doing this for like 10 years, whether it was in Linux or reviewing GPUs or reviewing game consoles or video games or Bluetooth headphones or computer accessories or whatever. And there's a big difference between throwing some swag in a box and remembering what your wife's name is, and giving the person kind of a taste of your culture, of your country. So that was pretty cool. Let's see what's in store. Let's see what's inside these boxes. I have never dealt with Slimbook, aside from their Slimbook battery app, which is kind of a battery optimization app that you can install on a wide range of distributions and hardware. So I'm really curious, because I've been working on a video about these, which is the System76 Oryx Pro and the Tuxedo Computers Infinity Book S14 V5. And while I'm editing those and wrapping that up, I thought it would be kind of exciting to tear these open and start playing with them, because who can resist, right? I think we'll go for the shorter box first. Slide that guy over. And again, guys, your feedback is welcome in terms of, hey, I like unboxing videos. I like looking at sexy Linux hardware, or, hey, I really couldn't see what the heck you were doing. Whatever you want, as long as you're nice about it. All right, so we've seen the wine and the delicious pork and the nice letter and the stickers. Now, Slimbook Pro X. I'm really interested. I mean, I've never even, I've seen some brief coverage of some of their products. I haven't seen a lot of photos, so I'm really interested in what these look like. And, oh man, I just took a peek in here. I should give you a peek too. I'm not expecting a lot of frills in here, but nevertheless, I thought it would be fun to take everything out with you guys. Okay. So we have, in order of least interesting to most interesting, we've got our EU plug, pretty standard stuff, and our universal power brick with the EU plug. Let's get over here. Come on, let's get over here. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this properly. Oh man, it's It's kind of light. Was not expecting that. Ooh, okay. Okay. It has kind of a nice matte finish to it, which means it's probably not going to be much of a fingerprint magnet, right? Nice Slimbook logo. And on the back, Slimbook Pro X, model number Pro X14. So this is going to be very interesting because 14-inch, 14-inch, 14-inch. All right, so let's take a look at the ports. Let's do this together. All right, so we've got our barrel plug, our HDMI, our USB 3.0, and USB-C on this side. Oh, okay, this is cool. Check it out. See that? Headphone jack, sure. USB 3.0, sure. 2.0, sure. Ethernet, absolutely. Very cool to have that. This is, so the Slimbook is a touch heavier. I haven't looked up the specs. I really wasn't prepared for this. I just wanted to do kind of a virgin unboxing, if you will. But it's not much heavier than the System76. Let's check out the profiles. All right, so Lemur Pro versus the Slimbook Pro X14. Now, I haven't gotten out the measuring tape, but they're comparable, right? I don't think there's any huge difference in thickness here. The Slimbook Pro X14 has approximately one more USB port, and it's got that Ethernet connection, which is really cool. I'm not sure about the chassis, what the build is, but I mean, it's nice, it's quality, and I love the matte finish so much. I hate laptops that are a fingerprint magnet. Let's open her up. Check her out in here. That's always nice when they, oh man. NVIDIA? I'm sorry, there's NVIDIA in here? This must be the, maybe the MX250, the NVIDIA MX250. I was not expecting any level of dedicated graphics in this thing, even if it's just the MX150 or 250. But look at that. Oh, it's almost, okay, so it almost goes 180 flat. Not quite, but look at this keyboard, you guys. Look at this keyboard. Look at that. I love it. It kind of very silver, very noticeable spacing between the keys. I love it. It almost reminds me of a Mac, an old Mac, not these new horrible keyboards. Oh man, good sound, good travel, good feel. Good feel to the keyboard. A bit of an issue with this. This is not something I'm necessarily opposed to. It's just a nice bonus if it's not here. We've got a Sound Blaster sticker. Really? I don't know when the last time I saw a Sound Blaster sticker on a laptop. And then we have protected by magnesium. We've got NVIDIA. We've got Intel. And that's the best one. That's the only one I want to see on there. See if there's a charge to it. Yep. Okay, we've got a charge. Let's do this. The screen looks much nicer than you're seeing in this video. Very, very hard to capture. So Slimbook OS, and it looks like it's, yeah, it's just really hard to capture the screen on this webcam. One of my goals is a definite camera upgrade soon. So Slimbook OS, I'll have to look into that. But you know what? Now that I'm looking at this, let's take a look at the thinness here. I'm rather impressed. Oh, and this is one thing that I always test with these smaller laptops is the flex of the display. And this has about the same flex as you'll see in the Lemur Pro and the InfinityBook S. Still, it feels sturdy enough. All right, so we'll save the setup for later. But that is the Slimbook Pro X14. All right, so far I am mostly pretty impressed. First reaction, just off the top of my head, it would be a lot nicer to not see all those stickers plastered on there, and it would be really cool if Slimbook included some kind of recovery USB key. There might be a partition on the drive. I don't know that yet, but I feel like it's at least pretty standard right now to include just even a cheap USB key with the recovery OS on there. Okay, laptop number 2. I don't even have a box knife, guys. I just have some kids' scissors, basically. Second verse, same as the first. Let's take a peek. Oh, all right. Power brick in here. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so a slightly larger power brick. Boom. And of course our EU plug. And here is what we have. Yep, Slimbook Pro X15. I really love the body on these laptops. I really, really like the design. It's just very clean and non-fingerprinty. That is such a big deal to me. And okay, let's run down the ports like we did with the Slimbook X14. So it's looking to have pretty much the same ports lineup. So we have our Ethernet. We have a USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and a micro SD card slot. I gotta say, man, I just love, I know that I am sounding like a broken record at this point, but I love the way this feels in my hand. I really do. I love that matte finish so much. So the other side, we have our barrel, plug in thingy, and we've got USB-C, HDMI, and USB 3.0. All right. Oh, man. And again, so we're pretty much looking at the exact same design as the 14. There's something about this keyboard. The spacing. I love the spacing in between the keys. Do you see this? It just sounds good. Let me put the mic here. You know what else? It feels sturdy. It feels like I can bang on it a little bit without it being damaged. Great typing action on this. That's a big deal for me. I would make a laptop like this my daily driver as long as it performs just as well. We're pretty much looking at the same lineup here with the stickers, with the Sound Blaster sticker, with the Intel and NVIDIA and Magnesium, and the only good one powered by GNU/Linux. It's always nice when you get a review unit with a charge on it. And again, Ubuntu. It could be Ubuntu that ships with their Slimbook battery app and custom backgrounds, maybe their own repositories. This is definitely 2004, isn't it? Is it 2004? It's got that nice OEM logo and that splash screen. Love the backlighting. You know what? I just remembered what this keyboard reminds me of. One of my first, professional laptops was a 2007 MacBook Pro. And it had the same color keys, the same kind of really nice white backlighting to it. That silver, something about that silver, and just the nice action and responsiveness of the keys. So I know you can't see here, but it's basically the same. Taking us into the OEM setup mode, kind of the profile of this laptop. It's nice. Okay, this one actually has a little bit more flex on the display, a little bit more flex to it. And I'm not quite sure how I feel about that, but I have to say for a 15-incher, it's light. So I guess you guys can definitely expect some future coverage of the Slimbook Pro X14 and Slimbook Pro X15. There's so many laptops at Linux for Everyone HQ right now. It's absurd. But I'm trying to get through all of it and give you guys more hardware, more impressions of that stuff. So anyway, I think the first unboxing was a moderate success. Let me know. I'm pretty impressed overall, and I cannot wait to start using these and dig into the specs and let you guys know what I think. Take a deeper dive. I think that's going to do it. No frills here, no high production value, just a fun unboxing of some really cool Linux tech. On behalf of the entire Linux for Everyone team, take care. Take care of each other, and I'll see you for the next video.